Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your retirement funds with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, create one by selecting the Open an Account option. Once logged in, navigate to the retirement section of the website. Select the retirement fund that you wish to automate. Review the investment options available under your chosen fund. Determine your desired recurring contribution amount. Locate the Automatic Investments feature on the fund page. Set up your automatic contributions by specifying the frequency. Choose whether you want to contribute from your bank account or other investment accounts. Input your bank account information if needed. Confirm the details of your automatic investment setup. Review the settings for any employer-sponsored retirement plans, if applicable. Check for any minimum contribution requirements or fees associated with automation. Submit your automatic investment settings for processing. Keep track of your retirement fund performance by regularly logging in. Adjust your contributions as your financial situation changes over time. Consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer service for any questions or concerns. Make it a habit to review your retirement strategy at least once a year. Ensure that your retirement goals align with your current investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.